Today on a very special episode of the Review Bar, we have an unboxing from Feels Creepy Vidz. Oh, the spinning. Oh, spinning. Phil was indeed very nice to offer an arrangement for me to get this particular item. This box looks way bigger than what this item would be, so I'm very curious, as to why. I guess there's a lot of cushioning in there to make sure this item is good. I pre-cut these sides. It is alive. I haven't seen what's in here yet, but I saw these. Phil has got these taped perfectly to survive international shipping. And I got my nice knife here to cut through this. So there's a letter here. I think it'll be okay to read. If not, Phil will tell me and I'll pull it. But Michael, hope this box finds you well and that the item you wanted comes to you undamaged. Hope you like the extras I threw in. Phil, again, I appreciate it. You certainly didn't have to, man. Thank you. And you will get some enjoyment from them. If not, just pass them along. Glad I could add a piece or two to your ever-growing collection. Keep the good work up on your channel. Your friend Phil, Phil's Creepy Vidz. Thank you, Phil. Holy crap. Man, you're crazy. Alright, so let me surgically, Phil, look away as I cut. Here, I'll do it up here so we can, everyone look away as I carefully cut around this box. Not bad. Yeah, it looks like it made it, Phil, and spectacular. So Phil heard I wanted this Norris creature, and he made it happen, and I appreciate it. I appreciate his help in getting this, and his willingness to give it up. It's spectacular. It's in great shape. The box is in great shape. Couldn't be happier, man. So let's take a good close look. This little sticker on here is spectacular too. Everything's just in really good shape. One of the legs is twisted up. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that or what, but it's on there. Kind of coming out to grab you. Very cool. I love it. I love it. Now, so that's all that was supposed to be in here. But there's like a ton of different stuff in here. So let's give it a look. I wonder if he's going to try to stump me with something. Ah, very cool. Now I'm not stumped. I know what this is. Another nice Thing piece. The mid-transformation dead creature, dead thing. I love it. I don't have this. This is really cool. Thank you. The Walking Dead Michonne. Very cool. It's funny, when I saw this, the last Walking Dead piece I gave to my son, and I said, oh, that's kind of cool. When I just saw The Walking Dead, I said, this will be something cool for my son, but not the Michonne. I'll keep that just as is and actually display it because I love that character. So that's really cool, actually. With her swords. And she's just kind of badass. So I really appreciate that character. So that's very cool. Another hit, Phil. Here we go, another piece, another Walking Dead piece. Flu Walker. I think it was the Cell Block Walker. Very cool. Again, very thoughtful, man. Very thoughtful. It makes it fun. For sure. Man, you packed these. Holy crap. Holy cow. Men in Black Blu-rays, perfect, man. Do not have this on Blu-ray, and this will be great. My kids can watch these, have watched them a long time ago, and Blu-ray is perfect, man. Holy cow. Men in Black 2. Sweet. Very sweet. Do not have those on Blu-ray. So what's funny is Happy Birthday to Me has been sitting in my Netflix queue forever. Because I saw it and I wanted to add it to it. I said, I haven't seen that in forever. And finally, I can take it out because here it is. Don't have that in my collection. Very cool. Next is The Shining. Love The Shining. I have a version of this, but it's not in a plastic case. It's one of those paper case ones. Those cardboard case ones. So I'll have to see if there's a difference and what the difference in the special features are. Check it out. And lastly here, I think this is the original or the 70s version of When a Stranger Calls. I can't tell. I haven't seen it forever. Or early 80s, I guess it would be. So that's perfect. It's perfect for me. All hits, man. All hits. Well, again, I'll put a link to Phil's channel in the description. Again, thank you very much. I love that Norris thing is in perfect condition, man. And I thanks for sharing it with me. I appreciate it very much. I'll put a link to Phil's videos or his channel in the description. If you liked what you saw here, please like and subscribe. And again, very appreciative, and thanks for welcoming me, my videos and my channel into the community, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you.